Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and welcome to another manifesting video with Yvette. Listen, today I'm going to give you a simple ritual that you can use to bring in money or abundance using a green candle. This is a 50-cent candle, and listen, you can do this today. But before we get started, if you're new to My World of Metaphysics, this is the Manifesting Law of Attraction Metaphysical channel that gives you all types of techniques and information in all forms, all in one place. So if you want to know about affirmations, scripting, prayer work, candles, crystals, everything is right here. I'm asking you to support this channel by liking, subscribing, and tapping the bell. You can also join membership, and anything you need to know about this channel is in the description. So now if you want to know what I'm about to tell you using a green candle, keep watching. I'm back, everyone. Now, what is it that I have to tell you that you can do with a green candle, everyone, to bring in abundance? Now, for this little technique or ritual, the only thing you're going to need is a simple 50-cent candle or whatever green candle you have, everyone. And you're going to need some cinnamon, okay? The next thing I'm asking you to have is some type of oil that you can use, okay? It could be olive oil. It could be all-purpose oil. So I have some oils here that I'm going to show you. But the thing is, use what's in your home. And if you do have these oils, use the oil that best works for whatever it is you're trying to bring into your life. Now, this is simple. You're going to get a plate, a saucer, okay? Anything that won't burn, okay? And you're going to have your candle and your cinnamon and some type of oil. Now, here I have holy oil, which I use to anoint a lot of my items, okay? Or if it's money we're talking about, a better business for a business thing you're trying to do, or it might be money drawing oil, okay? Or you can actually use magnet oil or prosperity oil. So these things right here, just choose one. And if you don't have it, you're welcome to use the olive oil or whatever oil you have, because you're only going to use a small drop to hold the cinnamon in place. If you don't have any of these and you would like to have it, please look in the description. The website is there. Everything is there. And look under oils, okay? So now, what are we going to do? We're going to anoint this candle. The first thing I want you to do, though, is to program this candle for what it is you want in your life. Now, I usually wipe my candles down to get off anything from other people touching it in the store, okay? Or from wherever it came from. Right now, I'm using Florida water, and you can actually get that also at the shop. So I clean my hands, and then I want to just actually clean my candle with the Florida water. The next thing I want you to do is to hold the candle in your hand, and I need you to impregnate in this candle what it is that you want. You can say things like, money comes to me in a continuous basis. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. Money comes to me in abundance on a continuous basis for the good of them all. Whatever it is you want to say. But impregnate into the candle what it is that you want, okay? Now, the next thing is, as a tip, I want to tell you this. Whatever it is you want to bring in your life, if possible, have the wick facing you. Anything you want out of your life, you want the wick facing away from you. So that is a big tip a lot of people don't tell people, okay? So now, once the candle is clean and you set your intent, you're going to take an oil that you want. I'm going to use magnet oil, okay, everyone? Because whatever it is you're trying to bring in your life, you can use a magnet oil to attract it, okay? So again, we're trying to bring in money. So we're going to focus on money coming to us in continuous basis. You can even state $50,000 coming to me by a certain period of time. You can even say a promotion or a better business, whatever it is. You don't have to use my words. Just simply state what it is you want as if it is already done and just say thank you. Now, once you have anointed your candle with the oil of your choice, now you're going to use some cinnamon and you're going to place cinnamon on it. So now what you can do, you can either place a little cinnamon in your hand, just a little, and you're going to roll the candle in the cinnamon on your hand. Because we're focusing on money and we want money to come towards us, we're going to point the candle towards us, okay? And you're going to rub the candle in the cinnamon. And basically that is it. So not only do you have a green candle indicating bringing in abundance, but you also have it anointed with magnet oil that attracts abundance to you. Not only that, you just rub cinnamon on it, which is a natural attractor for abundance. So now what are you going to do with this? The first thing you're going to do is you're going to light this candle. Now remember, while you're doing this, I really need you to focus on what it is that you want. Again, you have to focus on what it is you want in your life. Money comes to me in a continuous basis. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. Money comes to me from all ways for the best of all involved. Whatever it is you want to say, use your own words. But while you're doing this, you need to focus on what it is you want. Now, you've seen that I burnt the top of the candle and then a little bit at the bottom. The reason I did this is because I don't want my candle falling all over the place, and it is a simple way of doing this when you don't have anything to put the candle on. So if you see this, this candle is not moving because I burnt a little bit of the top and a little bit of the bottom. Now, I do want to tell you guys, please never leave a candle burning alone. Please don't do that. That is the reason why I use the 50-cent candles, because it burns out very quick. The other candles that I use that burn out very quick is Lailoken's Awens, and this is another green candle, and it's a wealth candle. Again, if you need any of these things, please look in the description, go to the website, everything is there. The Lailoken's Awens candles, it's already prepared, it's already anointed, but even though it is, I still do my own thing with it, adding extra bonuses to it. So what are we going to do with this now that we have it here and it's burning? You're going to sit here and you're going to focus on this candle of what it is that you want. You can look in the flame, you can watch it for a while, or you can take this time to do your spiritual rituals. You can do your scripting, your 369, your affirmations. Maybe you're doing prayer work. Whatever it is you're doing, while this candle is burning, this is the time to do that. Now, let me throw in an extra tip, you guys, that's going to supercharge what I just told you. If you have sea salt, okay, you're going to take some sea salt and you're going to sprinkle it around the candle so that it looks like this. Okay? Now, why are we doing this? We're going to do that because sea salt is a natural protector. It's a cleanser. And whenever you're trying to do something to bring in money, to bring money or abundance into your life, you want to make sure everything is cleansed, everything is protected. At the same time, sea salt is another way, another natural herb, feng shui, that brings in abundance. So here we have a candle that is green for money. It is anointed with magnet oil. It is covered in cinnamon and at the same time surrounded with sea salt. And the only thing you're going to do is set the intent. If this candle is a little larger, you can actually write on the candle whatever it is that you want, or write something stating what you want and put it under the plate or have it on the side. Again, we don't put nothing flammable around the candle, and we don't leave the candle burning alone. So listen, everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and I just gave you guys another manifesting technique to bring in that money. Now listen, support this channel by watching the next video, everyone. On top of that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. We also have membership. You can do super chat, super stickers, whatever it is you want to do to support this channel. Again, this is Yvette. If you want to buy any of these items, everything is in the description. And again, namaste.